Hey there, welcome to What a Hairstyle. Today we're all about short bob haircuts for women. A bob is a short, chic cut that's super easy to style. It's usually cut straight, hitting above the shoulders or even shorter. Bobs look awesome on almost everyone, whether your hair is straight, wavy, or curly. You can keep it simple or add some flair with curls or bangs. This haircut is perfect for a fresh, bold look. Short bobs are such a hit because they're so versatile. We love how this haircut can totally transform your vibe. It's great if you want a style that doesn't take forever to fix. Just wash, dry, and you're ready. Bobs suit everyone: teens, adults, or even older folks. You can go for a smooth, one-length bob or a textured one with lots of layers. Either way, it makes your face pop. Let's check out some awesome bob styles. One option is the angled bob, where the front is longer than the back. It gives a sleek, modern feel and makes your face look longer. Another is the blunt bob, with super straight ends for a bold, strong look. You can also try a bob with bangs for a cute, playful twist. No matter which one you pick, bobs always feel fresh and stylish. Styling a short bob is so much fun. You can make it look different every day. For a special occasion, add soft curls for a fancy vibe. For school or work, brush it straight for a clean, polished look. Want some volume? A little mousse or gel does the trick. You can even braid a tiny section or pop in a sparkly clip for extra flair. Bobs are super easy to play with and they always look great. Picking a new haircut can feel like a big step, but bobs make it easy. They're awesome for all hair types. If your hair is thick, a bob can lighten it up. If it's thin, layers add fullness. Bobs also grow out nicely, so you won't need constant trims. Plus, you can make your bob stand out with a fun color like red or blonde. These pictures show how bobs work for everyone. Want your bob to stay perfect? Here's how. Use a good shampoo to keep your hair shiny and a conditioner to make it soft. If you straighten or curl your bob, always use a heat protectant spray. Get a trim every 6 to 8 weeks to keep the shape sharp. For extra care, try a hair mask once a week. A healthy bob looks stunning and is so easy to manage. These images show off some gorgeous bobs to inspire you. With just a little effort, your haircut will always look amazing and ready to shine.